In today's episode, I'll show you how to clean a Gorenje coffee machine that doesn't flow properly even after descaling. The coffee barely drips into the cup, as you can see, and it's extremely hot. First, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Ideally, use one with a short handle, like the one I'm using here, so it fits easily inside the machine. Remove the portafilter and the cup support. This will give you access to the metal screen where the hot water flows into the coffee. You'll notice the screen is held in place by a fairly large screw. Unscrew it to remove the screen for cleaning. Be careful, the screw might be tight, but it will come loose with a bit of force. Inside the screw, there's a spring and a small plastic ball at the tip. Make sure you don't lose these parts. If you look closely, you'll see tiny holes in the screen, clogged with fine coffee particles or limescale. These block the water flow and cause the issue. The easiest solution is to thoroughly clean the screen and the screw components. I use dish soap, water, and a rough sponge to scrub everything clean. To make sure the screen is fully clean, I use a flashlight. If light passes easily through the holes, the cleaning was successful. Before reinstalling the screen, I clean the inside of the machine with a paper towel. This removes any leftover coffee residue or limescale. Place the spring and plastic ball back inside the screw. Then position the screen on the screw and mount the whole assembly back onto the machine. Using the flathead screwdriver, tighten the screw, but don't overdo it. Tighten it just enough so the screen stays firmly in place and doesn't move. Now it's time to test it. Add coffee to the portafilter, tamp it down firmly, and lock it into the machine. Wait for the machine to heat up. Start the machine, and now you can see the coffee flows smoothly into the cup at a normal rate. This is a very simple fix that anyone can do at home, using basic tools and no extra cost.